I grew up, I spent a lot of time with people who lived in Newton who had come from all over the U.S., kind of an extended family group house that I spent a lot of time at, and they were folk music people and bluegrass and country people from Kentucky and Ohio. I was Jewbilly for a long time. And so I learned to play bluegrass guitar and country music, and had bands that, you know, played like at 17, 16, 17. I was making my living, such as it was, giving guitar lessons and playing in bars and, you know, clubs and stuff like that. Then I really needed to make a living, and I started playing commercial country western and rockabilly, and kind of rose in that scene within the confines of the Boston area. I was a sideman for a pretty, at the time anyway, pretty well-known rockabilly guy named Sleepy Latif, who I think if you're into that music, you would know who he was. But I was his front man, and which means I would play lead guitar for him. But before each set, I would sing 5 songs, and it was a little ridiculous because I'm 5'4" and he's 6'6", and he's built like a tank. So it just looked a little silly, and I was this little Jewish kid in my cowboy boots and western shirt and little black pants, and, you know,